Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Montana's Lost Art. Do you remember the other day when I posted the video of those really neat blanks? Well, check it out. My hubby and I, we were in the lathing shop for quite some time over the weekend, lathing up all these projects. Can you guess which one I did all by myself? Ding, 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 if you were guessing this one, you're right. Yep, that's my very first egg that I've ever lathed, and a matter of fact, it's my very first lathing project, so yes, indeed, indeed. So I hope you guys enjoy all of these. All right, everybody out there, I hope you enjoyed your time with me today. Make sure to comment down below which one is your favorite, and we'll try to make more of them. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. See ya.